Hi, I'm Rachel and this is Camping Cuisine with Leisure Bit. Today we're going to be experimenting and making nachos with jalapenos, guacamole and sour cream in the Ridgemonkey. Wishing us luck. To make the nachos in the Ridgemonkey, you need a packet of nachos, some tomato salsa, some grated cheese. I've got about 150-200 grams there. To spice it up and give it a little bit of a kick, I've got some jalapenos. And to top it off, we've got some guacamole and some sour cream. So let's have a go. First of all, I'm going to take my Ridgemonkey and I'm just going to take one half of it. And I'm going to begin to layer the nachos. Got a nice even covering at the bottom. I'm going to put some of the nice tomato salsa in. For that little kick, we're going to add some nice jalapenos. We're going to hide them in there, so it's a nice surprise when you bite into it. And some cheese. Add another layer. And again, add a little bit of the tomato salsa. Add some of the jalapenos. And a sprinkle of cheese. I like to use mature cheddar or Leicester because it's really flavoursome and full. There we go. We're now going to put the stove on and cook the nachos over a very, very low heat. So this one is slow and low. I'm just going to put the other lid on the nachos, squeeze it down. Let's move that one out this side. We've got a few bits trying to escape there. And pop it on the stove. So the nachos have been on the stove for about 5-10 minutes now, slow and low. And the cheese is just starting to melt and bubble. Looks delicious. I've turned it over a couple of times. But look at that. Just going to turn the stove off. Can I just... Thank you. Put a nice big dollop of guacamole. An equally big dollop of sour cream. And that's it, ready to share. Right, let's try some. Gonna dig deep. That's nice. I've got a nice big kick of jalapenos then. So that is really quick and easy to make nachos in the Ridgemonkey with jalapenos, a dollop of sour cream and a dollop of guacamole. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. If you have, please give me a thumbs up and I look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you.